What's up, everybody? It's G, and today I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall and then reinstall Microsoft Edge on Windows 10. It's super easy, so I'm going to walk you guys right through it, and let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to the search menu in the bottom left, or you can press the Windows key and type in Program. Once that's typed in, you'll see Add or Remove Programs. You want to click that. Then you're going to see this search bar up top here. You're going to want to click on that and then type in Edge. Once Edge is typed in, you'll see Microsoft Edge. And when we click it, we don't actually have the ability to uninstall it, but we can virtually do the same thing by clicking Advanced Options. Go in the settings here, and there's going to be a Repair button here. We want to click Repair. There we go. Then we want to click Reset. And this will completely clear the browser and completely reset it, which is going to basically reinstall the browser. So we'll click Reset button right here. And there we go. Now we're going to close this. And now when we open up Edge, everything will be reset, and it should fix any issues you were having. So there you go. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you drop a like. Drop in the comments anything you want to see from us next. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.